Hello, Stevie here, and scraps glued over paper, and I got Ashley over here sleeping, my 16-year-old old girl. I got out the dark stuff like this corset and my Happy Mail things to use in Victorian or dark journaling. Some black papers and very aged papers here, and then these, my supplies for different things. I thought I would separate them. Like this is obviously Victorian, and that could definitely go with the corset that I want to put on a journal cover. But I haven't figured out how I'm going to do it quite yet. And I just thought I might try and see if I can, how I want to do these. Things, separate them. Well, I'll try and do them in two for right now. Obviously I think that this would go good here. And fashions. Oh, those are pretty. Okay, now we get into kind of dark bats and wolves and dark here. Oops, things are falling down over there. Bats. It'd be nice to be able to use these. This is nice thin cardstock, and it's definitely easier to work with. I may have more dark than Victorian. That's okay. Oh yeah, spiders, creepy. Definitely. Let's see, these, we need to go with that first one. Yeah, I'm just gonna tuck that under here. Look kind of like tarot cards, maybe. Okay. Let's do witches. Let's put this one at the bottom also. Witchy. I'm gonna put witchy here. I'm gonna put that there. Victorian. This is witchy. Oh, cemetery. Dark. Let's put that with witches for now. Here's a. Oh, that's dark. That's nice. Okay, so here's a skeleton. It can go down at the bottom. I'm gonna put the crow and the owl with the witches. And this doesn't look real Victorian, but I will put it in that one for now anyway. That's upside down. I don't know what it says. Put it down here though. Got those kind of mixed up. Ooh, here's some tarot card, dark tarot cards. Oh, look at the fool with a little dog that's a skeleton. Oh, those are cool. Those are cool. I'm gonna put these here. Oh, I like these. I think I'll just put them. Oh, look at the chariot. Oh, that's cool. Even if it didn't use them for tarot cards, these are cool. I like them. Definitely for dark cards. Oh, the tower. That's okay. And back to, oh, this is a cool witch one in here, and all the moons with the witchy house. Oh, cemetery. Cool. And that's kind of a toss up. Witchy. I guess I'll put it with witchy for now, because it's a kind of a mix. And then another, oh, those are so cool. Yeah. Oh yeah. And then I'll be cutting these up so that I can use them. But I wanted to show kind of the process of getting my supplies ready and using the Happy Mail here. And maybe I will get some of these. I'll let you know in the next video after I get them cut and stuff which ones will be in my digital shop, Stevie Goes Digital in Etsy, which all my links are down below. And feel free to comment, subscribe, share, and have a great day. And I'll see you in the next one.